Hey, this is Jim coming at you live with another short segment of TheRealEstateExpert.Online. Thanks for joining me, folks. Hey, I want to share something with you that is amazing. From time to time, we get some great deals. As you know, I'm a real estate investor. We buy and sell property throughout the United States, and we get some, gems in. And unfortunately, a lot of people don't see the diamond in the rough. So I'm going to share with you a perfect example of a diamond in the rough in how this investor that bought the property from us with very little money down was able to see the vision, and she just turned this place around. And so I'm going to share it with you now. So enjoy, and if you'd love to get connected with us and get access to properties like these, and you are able and willing to put in some hard work and sweat equity, you can turn some huge profits as she did with this one as well. So enjoy. This property was picked up for $130,000 from a seller that could not put the money back into the property. We were able to offer this at a huge discounted rate to an end buyer that saw the potential of renovating the property for herself. These before and after pictures really speak volumes to the amazing job that she did, as well as making the house beautiful once again. This property is located in Sharon, PA, and has over 2,800 square feet. This home is now worth closer to $260,000. This is an amazing deal, great opportunity. These deals come along not as often as we would like, but as you can see through the photos, most people would have turned a blind eye to this, and they had. They looked at this and said, this is disgusting. There's no way that we're going to be able to do anything with it. There's no way that it's worth anything at all. We had so many people lowballing us way below the market value, just ridiculous. And fortunately, somebody that's been in the business flipping properties, she saw the vision, and she turned this property into an amazing, beautiful home that she can call her own. She plans on keeping the property for herself, but if she ever decides that she wants to sell the property, she will probably make at least $100,000 profit on this thing without question. Just an amazing job throughout the property. So as you can see, looking through the photos before and after, it was just trashed out. Somebody just left it a big mess, probably some hoarders, I'm not sure. Sellers just couldn't deal with the problem. They were transferred out of state, so they could not do it, and they didn't want to lose the property to foreclosure, as well as have the city, condemn the property. So this is just amazing work that was put into it, and I just wanted to share this with you. My name is Jim, TheRealEstateExpert.Online, and we get these deals, from time to time, and when we do, it just takes that certain person that can understand the opportunity that's available. She was able to come in with very little money down, and she put most of the money into the sweat equity. So wasn't that amazing? That property is beautiful, and she's gonna, and her family are gonna enjoy that for years to come. And like I said in the segment, if she decides she wants to sell it, she can easily make $100K profit off of it without question. So chime in below. I got my contact information below as well. Be sure to subscribe and plug in, and we'd love to get you these great deals that we're finding along the way. If you're a seller that has a situation similar to this seller and needs some help selling the property, we're here for you as well. Bye for now, and make it a great day, folks.